Tatra National Park, located in Poland, is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts tourists from all over the world. This national park known for its stunning scenery and diverse wildlife. Tourism in Tatra National Park is steadily increasing as more and more people discover its charms. Visitors can engage in a variety of activities such as hiking, mountaineering, and wildlife watching. The park also offers guided tours and educational programs to learn about its rich biodiversity and conservation efforts. Tourists remark on the park's pristine beauty and well-maintained trails, as well as the opportunity to immerse themselves in nature while enjoying panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. The park's commitment to preserving its natural heritage has earned it recognition as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Getting to Tatra National Park is relatively easy, as a variety of transportation options are available. The nearest major city is Krakow, which has an international airport and serves as the gateway to the park. From there, visitors can take a bus or train to reach the park. Tatra National Park offers an unforgettable experience for those seeking adventure in the embrace of nature. Its stunning scenery, rich biodiversity, and ample recreational opportunities make it an ideal destination for travelers.